Want to clear all the videos you've ever liked on YouTube in one go? You can do it right from your YouTube history settings without unliking each video individually. First, open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Under Playlists, select Liked Videos. All the videos that you have liked will be displayed. Now to delete them all, tap your profile picture again. Tap the gear icon to open up Settings. Select Manage All History to open your YouTube history page. Head over to the Interactions tab and tap Video Likes and Dislikes. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right, choose Delete All, and confirm to wipe your entire liked videos history in one sweep. If that three-dot menu isn't available, look for the little X at the top right of each date header. Tapping it will delete all likes for that specific period. You can simply scroll through the list and tap each X to clear likes day by day. That's it. Your liked videos playlist is now completely cleared. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment with your next cleanup goal, and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips every week.